Hello and welcome back, my beauty gallery vendors. Thank you so much for your continual use of the platform. We celebrate you. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to show us how to create questions from our courses, right? You have created a course and now it's time to create questions that students will have to go through, pass before they progress to the next level or before they come over to your studio for the practical class. This is very important. There are some students that just want to, fly through and come over there, but with this one, you impact in them the basic knowledge that they need, right? So you don't repeat the entire thing again because it's tiresome, really it's tiresome. I've been there. I was, for years, I was a lecturer and I know what it means to repeat the same beginner stuff all over again. But with this, you just do it once and you get over it. Okay, so I'm currently logged in and all I'll do now is to scroll down to where I have my Academy button, right? And that is it here. There's the Academy button here. So I click on it and then it loads my Academy page. Every vendor has this page and unique to every vendor. So as I'm here now, I will go to my courses. I'm not going to do for all the courses, but just for only one, because whatever I'm going to do here applies to every other course. Okay, so I want to prepare quiz questions for this very course, right? So what I do is I click on videos. It opens this page. I'm not going to click on this add video anymore because I'm not trying to upload videos. Rather, I will click on the questions button. Now, I'm just going to do something very simple I can easily relate to. Okay, so it will be difficult. Now, this is somehow when we began, we actually planned integrating AI to it, but we're still going to do that such that you don't do this process yourself. The AI will do it for you, right? So once you upload your video, the AI will generate the questions for you and throw it in there, the questions and the answers actually. So you don't need to, all you just do is upload your video and the AI will do the rest for you. So now here it says 10. What this means is before your student must write your exam, you must have set at least 10 questions, right? You must have set at least 10 questions, but for purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to reduce it to 3, right? I'm going to reduce it to 3 and I'm going to ask very simple questions that I too can easily remember for this for the purpose of this tutorial. Remember, I'm not a makeup person and I wouldn't take credit for what I don't know. Okay, so having entered 3 there, I'll click on this button. This is manual process now. Add manual questions, right? So I click on it, it opens here. Okay, so question. Now I'm going to write just something I can easily relate to, right? So what I will write here is makeup a sweet business. Sorry, my text is appearing. Is makeup a sweet business? Okay. Yeah. So this question is for this course. Remember, this is the one I chose, right? This one I chose. As you can see here, foundation, how to. Okay. Option A. Option B. Option C. Option D. Right? The question again is makeup a sweet business? That may sound stupid, but for the purpose of this tutorial, and here I will choose the answer is option A, right? For this, I'm done. So question is, sorry, the answer for this is option A. Okay. Then I ask another question again. Do you really love makeup as a service? Right? Do you really love makeup as a service? Again, it goes to this question. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Now for this, I will choose B to be the answer, right? I will choose B to be the answer. Again, remember, I said 3 questions. I said again. Is it changing there? Okay, so I asked another question. Are you making money from makeup service? From makeup as a service? Are you making money? Are you making money rather? From makeup as a service? Again here, let me begin from option A, option is option B, option A. Now for this, I will choose option C as my answer, right? Okay, so let me just add one more. Sorry. Okay, can you recommend makeup as a service to someone? So again, I choose this because that's where it's coming from. Then lastly, A, B, C, D. So this goes to D. Okay. So now I have set my 4 questions. I've set my 4 questions, right? Okay, now this is basically how to set the exam questions. See how very simple it is? See how very simple it is, right? It's important we leave this at 10, so we'll comfortably ask students enough questions to certify if they understand what we're teaching them, right? You know, it's not enough to just teach. If the student cannot pass what you've taught, this is just 10 questions. If the student cannot pass what you've taught, then you've not really impacted knowledge to that student. So even though, yes, the questions were as simple as possible, but let there be a way of testing them, right? So basically, this is how to set questions. Now I'm going to switch to the student side to answer these questions, right? So let's switch to the student side. Okay, we are logged in now as student. Now we select the very course for which we want to learn and then write exam. We'll click here and then we'll start watching the video. Until the student finish watching this video, this progress bar here will not turn to 1, right? You see, as you can see, it's 0 of 1. Even if the student move the cursor down, it's not progressive. As you can see, it's still on 0 because the student has not finished. So it's important the student watch it well, and then before, so I'm just going to watch it myself and now pause the video so I don't keep you, on this state. Once it finishes, I will unpause the video. Okay, so as you can see, the course has completed. Now all the student need to do is to click the course button here to affirm that it's been completed. And once that is done, this progress bar here will turn from gray to this color, right? And the box for the button for take exam will now be enabled, as you can see here. To take the exam now, having completed the video lecture, to take the exam now, we'll click on take final exam. As you can see here, 4 questions. Pass mark is 60%. So we'll click here, and then we'll have question 1, question 2, question 3. So go to question A. Can you recommend makeup as a service? Remember, this was question 4, but now it has come up here as question 1. So the system tweaks the question such that the student cannot memorize it. Even the vendor may even forget that the last question will become the first question. So can you recommend makeup as a service? And what did I choose here? I chose D, right? Okay. Now next, I've answered question 1. Question 2, is makeup a sweet business? Remember, I think I chose A here as my answer, so option A is what I chose. Then the last question is makeup a sweet business? Again, it's repeating question 1, and I choose A again. Okay, so is makeup a sweet business? Oh, sorry for the spelling here. I didn't see that properly when I was typing. So, and you can see the timer as well. You can see the timer. So, I choose submit exam. You have answered 3 out of 3 questions. Once submitted, you cannot change your answer. Yes, submit. Changes made. Yeah, go ahead. Right. You see that? Congratulations. You scored 100%, right? So this is basically how the system works. As you can see, I scored 100%. This is correct, 3 correct questions, 0 wrong questions total. And this is a course for which I wrote my exam. And this is the vendor name, and this is my pass mark, the pass mark set for the exam. And this is time taken to write the exam, just 2 minutes. So now, to proceed further, I need to download my certificate. And then, but this is just a temporary certificate. The vendor will issue certificate to the student, a proper certificate with the name and everything. So this is an exam I just took now. As you can see, these two are the same. These two are the same, right? So the system just tweak it and make it a bit difficult for the student to, but a brilliant student will know and then pass, right? So this is basically how. If I try to download the certificate now, it will not look properly because I'm using, okay, see that? So it shouldn't look properly here. So this is basically how to how students can write exam. The vendor can set questions, and then the student can log in, write the exam, pass, and then proceed for practical class. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and we'll be available to respond or make any further tweak to this. Okay, thank you. See you in the next tutorial.